Bonjour, hello, and welcome to my channel. My name is Prashant, and in today's video, I'll be talking about the names of some important countries in French. So let's start. First, we have And, which is India. And. Second is Sheen, which is China. Then Japan, which is Japan. Corée du Sud, which is South Korea. Then Australia, which is Australia. Then États-Unis, which is United States of America. Then we have Canada, which is Canada. Next, France, which is France. Then Allemagne, which is Germany. Then Spain, which is Spain. Then Italy, which is Italy. Then Belgique, which is Belgium. Then we have Royaume-Uni, which is United Kingdom. Then Russie, which is Russia. Then Swiss, which is Switzerland. Mexique, which is Mexico. Arabi Saudi, which is Saudi Arabia. Then Maroc, which is Morocco. Then Afrique du Sud, which is South Africa. And lastly, Brazil, which is Brazil. So that is it for today. And in the next video, I'll be talking about nationalities. So please be prepared for it. It would be interesting. Also, if you like the video, press the like button, share it, and consider subscribing to my channel. I'll see you in my new video. Bye bye.